Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around.
That's why we're so eager to see Nick do the cool demos and stuff again. Like, we miss it.
I'm gonna pick up my razor again. This is, you know, Nick is very inspiring.
You hate it just in the crowd, but still I just look around. Are you with me now? Why you with me?
There's the guy, can you see it?
Yeah.
I'm in position. Notice how the razor doesn't move, just comes down. It's hard to cut off a little, easier to cut off a lot.
So Nick is not just a celebrity who shows up and makes an appearance. He takes you by your hand, he shows you what to move, how to move your hand, how to fix your hand. Nobody's taking a break. Everybody's trying to use every second with Nick because it's priceless.
Okay? That's how you do it.